Iron deficiency anemia. Iron deficiency is one of the most common forms of malnutrition. 50% of all anemias are attributable to iron deficiency, and the 71% of the global mortality burden of iron deficiency anemia is in Africa and parts of Asia. We will discuss iron deficiency anemia under the subtopics stages, causes, clinical presentation, differential diagnosis, and treatment. Stages of iron deficiency can be divided into three. The first stage is negative iron balance. Next is a period of iron deficiency erythropoiesis, then iron deficiency anemia. In stage of negative iron balance, the demands for iron exceeds body's ability to absorb iron. This stage results from mechanisms including blood loss, rapid growth spurt in adolescence, pregnancy, where demand of fetus outstrip mother's ability to provide iron. During this period of negative iron balance, the serum iron, total iron binding capacity, red cell protoporphyrin level, and the peripheral smear will be normal. The body iron stores, reflected by the ferritin level, decreases. In the next stage of iron deficiency erythropoiesis, the marrow iron stores are absent. When the transferrin saturation falls to 20%, the hemoglobin synthesis will be impaired. The red cell protoporphyrin levels and the total iron binding capacity will increase. The serum iron will decrease. Serum ferritin level will be less than 15 microgram per liter. In iron deficiency anemia, peripheral smear shows microcytic hypochromic RBCs. When hemoglobin level decreases to 10 to 13 gram per deciliter, we call it moderate iron deficiency anemia. When it is 7 to 8 gram per deciliter, it is severe anemia. Oval, cigar, pencil-shaped forms of RBCs can be seen in peripheral smear. Causes of iron deficiency: increased demand for iron, like in rapid growth in adolescence or infancy, pregnancy, erythropoietin therapy, or due to increased iron loss, like in acute or chronic blood loss, menses, or phlebotomy. Decreased iron intake or absorption, like in inadequate diet, malabsorption syndromes like topical sprue or Crohn's disease, acute or chronic inflammation. Clinical presentation of iron deficiency can be increased fatigue and reduced exercise capacity, fissures at corner of mouth called chelosis, spooning of nails called koilonychia. Now let's discuss the normal range of laboratory iron studies. The serum iron is 50 to 150 microgram per deciliter. Serum ferritin is 100 microgram per liter in males and 30 microgram per liter in females. Total iron binding capacity ranges from 300 to 360 microgram per deciliter, and the transferrin saturation varies from 25 to 50%. The next step is evaluation of bone marrow iron stores. It also gives information about effective delivery of iron to developing erythroblast. The normal sideroblast will be 20 to 30%. Protoporphyrins are intermediate in hemoglobin synthesis. When heme synthesis is impaired, protoporphyrin accumulates within the RBCs. The normal value is less than 30 microgram per deciliter. In iron deficiency, it can increase more than 100 microgram per deciliter. The differential diagnosis of microcytic hypochromic anemias are iron deficiency anemia, thalassemia, in which there is a inherited globin chain synthesis, and sideroblastic anemia. Approach to treatment of iron deficiency anemia includes red cell transfusion, oral iron therapy, and parenteral iron therapy. Red cell transfusion is given for patients with symptoms of anemia, cardiovascular insufficiency, or when there is a continued blood loss. Oral iron therapy is given for asymptomatic patient with an intact GI tract. Parenteral iron therapy is considered when patient is unable to tolerate oral iron or we need to give iron on an ongoing basis. In summary, iron deficiency anemia can be due to increased demand for iron, increased blood loss, decreased intake of iron. It is manifested as microcytic hypochromic anemia and treated with red cell transfusion, oral or parenteral iron therapy.